Hey Caitlin, Anna. This is bad lighting. That's better. I'm auditioning for your club. I don't know why, but I just feel like clicking my fingers. My dad's right next door and he can probably hear me. In this whole video, you'll probably see me lots of different times looking different because I'm doing this in between breaks of Britain's Got Talent and Enchantment's on right now. And you're so boring. Yeah, let's just leave my boring past aside and get into the new. Okay. So my name's Emma. I am 12. I'm 2. Or I'm 2. However it comes out in the camera. The camera I use is actually a digital camera because I was a flip cam, but it never came. We were never charged. Never came. It was just so annoying. So I have to use a family digital camera. I'm just gonna read off the side, so yeah, you'll see me sideways. A Canon digital IXUS 60, and I use Windows Movie Maker. Yeah, I said it. I tried to get Sony Vegas and stuff, my computer won't allow it. Sorry, I bet you just heard that buzzer. It's really freaking me out. But yeah, I have to use it. And my tripod's broken, so I'm using a kitchen shelf. How imaginative am I? I'm just that imaginative. Fun sex time. Well, I have demented fingers, and I can do this. Oh yeah. Pretty awesome. And I have demented middle fingers, so they're shaped sideways because they got whoop. Sorry, you can probably hear the TV, and I'm kind of crazy. I'm not really hyper, so I just have to eat a sweet. Look into my eyes. Sorry, I'm just that crazy. Let's just go on to the next fact. I'm probably boring you also. Okay, so my next fact is that I have a fear of throwing up and a fear of people throwing up around me. So I haven't been sick in 4 years. Well, probably sick. I got a bit of food poisoning last year, but I threw up a tiny bit, this much. I just spat and food came up. You probably don't want to know the details. But yeah, 4 years. I think people are listening to me. I probably sound really quiet. Yeah. I'm going to tell you what my favourite cereal is. That's Shreddies. I cannot live, seriously, I cannot live without my Shreddies. Or my sweet corn. No, seriously, I cannot live without this. I have it all the day, every day. Corn is my life. So yeah, I really hope you pick me, please. I haven't been in a collab channel before, and I really like your both channels, and I like Peace, Love, Collab. Ow, I just scratched myself. And I really want to be a part, and my energy will be way better. It's late at night, and I'm not really bothered. Oh, and days I want to be. I am a boarder at school, so it means I sleep at school every night. Except there's 2 days I can be. I can be Saturday and I can be Sunday. And those are the only 2 days I can be. Otherwise I will be at school and I don't have any editing, so I can't upload on YouTube or anything. So I have to be those 2 days, Saturday or Sunday, and I would much rather prefer to be Sunday, but I can do both. So yeah, I'll be really dedicated as well. I started my own collab channel a year ago, and it didn't really work out, but I had loads of ideas, and yeah, give me a challenge and I'll do it. I'm rambling on, aren't I? You know what, I'm going to stop boring you and leave. I said that 2 minutes ago, but this time it's the truth. It's the truth. Stop boring you, leave. And please, pretty please pick me. I've only got 13 subscribers, and I really want more, so please pick me. Please.